Hi, how are you today? We will talk about the difference between Web 2.0 and 3.0. Difference between Web 2.0 and 3.0? Web 2.0 and Web 3.0 are terms used to describe different stages or versions of the Internet and its technologies. Here's an overview of the key differences between Web 2.0 and Web 3.0. Definition. 1. Web 2.0. Web 2.0 refers to the second generation of the World Wide Web, characterized by the transition from static, read-only web pages to interactive and user-generated content. 2. Web 3.0. Web 3.0, also known as the semantic web or the intelligent web, is an evolving concept that represents a future vision of the Internet where information is more intelligently connected and accessible to both humans and machines. User participation in content. 1. Web 2.0. Web 2.0 emphasized user participation and user-generated content. 1. It introduced platforms that allowed users to contribute, share, and interact with content through social media, blogs, wikis, and other collaborative tools. 2. Web 3.0. Web 3.0 takes user participation further by leveraging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and natural language processing. 2. It aims to create a more personalized and intelligent web experience by understanding user preferences, context, and intentions. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe my channel. Data and connectivity. 1. Web 2.0. In Web 2.0, data was primarily structured for human consumption, and connections between data were often limited to hyperlinks. 1. Data was typically organized in separate silos, making it challenging to integrate and extract meaning from large volumes of information. 2. Web 3.0. Web 3.0 focuses on making data more interconnected and machine-readable. 2. It utilizes semantic technologies, linked data, and ontologies to create meaningful connections between different sources of information, enabling intelligent data discovery and integration. Artificial intelligence and automation. 1. Web 2.0. Web 2.0 introduced social platforms and collaborative tools but had limited use of AI and automation. 2. Web 3.0. Web 3.0 incorporates AI, machine learning, and automation extensively. 2. These technologies enable intelligent data analysis, predictive algorithms, chatbots, virtual assistants, and other advanced applications that enhance user experiences and automate various tasks. Decentralization and blockchain. 1. Web 2.0. Web 2.0 platforms were typically centralized, with control over data and content residing in the hands of a few organizations. 2. Web 3.0. Web 3.0 aims to promote decentralization through technologies like blockchain and decentralized protocols. 2. It seeks to enable peer-to-peer interactions, enhance privacy and security, and give users more control over their data. It's important to note that Web 3.0 is still an evolving concept, and its full realization is yet to be achieved. The exact features and characteristics of Web 3.0 may vary depending on different interpretations and technological advancements. Learn more about Web 3.0, visit my channel.